Hey, what's up, guys? Martin Daws back again with another video. All right. So in this video, I'll be remixing a song, just a basic mashup, nothing too complicated. All right. We'll just add in some vocals on some loops. All right. If you have already subscribed to my channel, big up yourself, enough respect. All right. If it's your first time, thanks for being here. Thanks for clicking the video. All right. I just ask you just to subscribe. And if this video does a lot for you, just hit that like button. All right. Just hit the like button. Okay. And hit the notification bell if you are subscribed to get notified when I upload new content. All right. So let's get into the actual remix. Okay. So the vocals that I'm using basically is Vibes Cartel. Song is titled Designer Vagina. All right, I know that's how dancehall artists name their songs. I had some crazy names. Okay, so if you don't know how to pull the acapella from your favorite track, I have a video that I showed you which software to use. You could click that video. You can also look in the comments because you know, the viewers, they also put some other software there. All right, so big up to the viewers for the comments with the other software. You can just get one of those softwares and just pull your vocals, get your acapellas, you know, stuff like that. All right, so you're gonna need a couple of stuff before you actually get into the remix. All right, so basically, if you have a track that you want to remix, one of the first things you're going to want to have in mind is what's the key of that track. The second thing is you want to know the BPM of the track that you're going to be remixing, and also have an idea of the BPM that you're going to you know, be putting your project in. All right, so as I said before, those are actually two things that you actually really need to know when you're going to remix a song, and also just have a feel of how you want the song to sound. Okay, have a feeling in your head how you want the outcome to be. All right, but as I said before, this is not going to be a complicated you know, we're going to be adding too much loops or stuff like that. We're going to be adding a kick, a melody, some hi-hats, and you know what I mean, some percussion, some basic loops. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing in Presonus Studio One that you're going to want to actually do, the BPM for this song is 92. All right, I got that from my Serato, and the key of the song I think is B flat. So I'm going to put the 92 in. So that's, if you go right click on the track, okay, and you see it says not set, you input your BPM 92. All right, and what that does is going to speed up the track to, if you follow my mouse down here, the tempo, the project tempo of 100 BPM. All right. If, for instance, you inputted the 92 and you did not see it change, head over to this the icon over here, the icon on your left, and make sure that this is on tempo is on time stretch. All right. So what's that's basically going to do is tell any track in your project to follow the project tempo. All right, if you don't want it to follow, then you could hit don't follow, but you know, just use time stretch. So basically, if you never know the tempo of the track, what you had to basically do is probably turn the metronome on, that is down here on the right hand side at the bottom, and then just mess around with it until you find the correct BPM. All right, so I know the project, I know the track tempo, so right now I'm just going to bring it right here. All right. Also, you need to know the first beat of the original track. Okay, so when you pull the acapella, have that in mind, so you actually know it makes the process much easier to actually, you know, find the beat of the song. So basically, let's turn the metronome on and hit play. Hit the play.
One hand, you're good. Tight and pretty like a beauty. Coming like Louis V, make your coat. Dr. Miami eyes up your booty. In a Versace, you go, you're pretty cute. Pretty cute. You're too thick.
That sounds kind
Better
of
send the breed, better baby so thick. Send me the yapper baby if he's so slick. Designer.
All right, so pretty much if you did not know the actual BPM, or if you had basically like a track that some parts of the track is faster or slower than some parts and you're having a little bit of difficulty, you can also actually use the markers in Studio One, all right? The bend markers, which is actually like the warp markers in Ableton, all right? So if you hit the bend tool right here, okay, and you hit where you select where the bend marker is, okay, you hit the icon right here that says bend marker. This would actually show you when you input a bend marker. So let's just hit show. Let's go down. Let's re-hit the so right now we just click it, all right, and it adds a bend marker. So basically we could pretty much add another one anywhere on the track, and we could actually speed the track up or slow it down. All right, so we just speed it up a bit right there. Okay. All right, so let's go back to it. That was just a quick tip if you want to get more in depth. All right, so let's listen back a cappella. Make sure it's on point.
One hand, you're good. Tight and pretty that.
Normally what I like to do, I like to go further down in the track, probably close to the end, and make sure it's still on the beat. All right.
You're good. Tight and pretty that beauty.
And let's say it was not on the beat. That's when I would go in the track, use the bend markers, and try to put it back on. All right. So pretty much this is okay. So let's just take the warp marker off. All right. So let's put a melodic loop in. I'm going to use this one. This is some Afrobeat sounds. All right. So let me just pull that right there. Okay. These are actually 100 BPM. So it's the same as the project. Okay. So if I wanted to possibly change the project, all I have to do is put the 100 in here. Okay. And hit select. And once I change the project tempo, it will move. You understand? Right now, just a quick melodic layer. All right.
One hand, you're good.
I like to bring my levels down like negative 12. All right. So let's loop that. To loop to loop any file on the track, it's D. So you would just hit D for loop. All right. So I just loop that like 4 times. Okay. Let's add some drums or something. Let's add some drums. All right, so let's add this first one. Okay, we don't want to do a lot of search. Let's add this first one. Let's loop it a couple of times. So, all right, and let's add some percussions. You know what? Let's add some hi-hats. Let me see where the hi-hats are. Let's add some hi-hats. Okay. Let's add this one. Let's add this hi-hat right here. Let's hear that sound.
You're good. Tight and pretty that beauty. Coming like Louis V, make you good. Dr. Miami eyes up your booty. In a Versace, you go, you're pretty cute.
Pretty simple.
Better say the breed, better be the soul. Send me the yapper baby if it's so sick. Designer. After that, you just bubble with that timer. But you're dear, but you don't make a China.
All right, so that's just basic stuff right there. All right, so then you could go in. You can just start adding more and more loops. You understand? If you want to add some instruments, all right, you just go in and just add some instruments tracks and just play your instruments. It's that simple inside Studio One. Okay, so it's not really complicated. You know, basically the vocals, because I pulled it from a track, it's we gotta do some work on the vocals. You understand what I'm saying? So basically
Yo, good. Tight and pretty that I'm beauty. Coming like Louis V, make you go it. Dr. Miami eyes up it. One hand. Yo, good. Tight and pretty that I'm Yo, good. Tight and pretty that I'm beauty. Coming like Louis V, make you go it. Dr. Miami eyes up your body. In a Versace, you go feel up with the beauty.
let's add some
That beauty. Better celebrate, better be the soul fit. Sound the diet, but be if it's so sick. Designer. After that, you just say, bubble with that timer. But you dear, but you don't make a China. Designer. After that, you just say, bubble with that timer. But you dear, but you don't make a China. But she's not. One hand. Yo, good. Tight and pretty that I'm beauty. Coming like Louis V, make you go it. Dr. Miami eyes up your body. In a Versace, you go feel up with the beauty.
So you pretty much get the concept of what we're doing. Actually, we're just messing around, adding some loops and just feeling the vibes, all right, of the track. All right, so pretty much that's how you're going to probably go through. You're going to add some risers. You're going to add all of those little effects that you want to add. You could add more melody. But this is pretty much the layout that you would use in Presonus Studio One. You add your EQs, whatever you want to add in the inserts. And then on your master track, you just I normally use Isotope, all right, for mastering Ozone 8. So I add my Ozone 8 on the end of the track, and you know what I mean, just add my limits on and
Dr. Miami eyes up your body. In a Versace, you go feel up with the beauty. That beauty. Better celebrate, better be the soul fit. Sound the diet, but be if it's so sick. Designer.
yeah, so as I said before, I would just put a Ozone on the master track, okay? Do my EQs, whatever EQs I want to perform, I'll just do it. And you can just use this template to do your matchup and your remixes and use them in your DJ sets. So if you just want to play them in your car or just to mess around. But Presonus Studio One is a very great software. It's very user-friendly in completing your remix, all right? So until then, big up yourself. Don't know Martin Daws. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button down below. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos. All right, you don't know Martin Daws dancehall reggae DJ. All right, so just follow me on that Instagram, follow me on that SoundCloud to hear the mixtapes. All right, okay, you don't know. Until then, see you next time, see you in the next video. You know I'm out.